Namaste dear students. In the last few classes we were discussing about time series. In that measurement of trend, the third one is method of moving averages. So first we discussed about moving averages method. In that odd number, if period of moving average is odd, how to do or how to find moving averages. One thing I forgot in the last class is, see, after finding the trend values, if you have to see the trend values. So whether trend values, see the nature of trend values. If they are increasing means you have to write the conclusion as the given data shows upward trend. If they are decreasing means you have to write the given data shows a downward trend. Sometimes there will be oscillatory movement. You have to write the given data shows oscillatory trend. That you have to write. I forgot in the last class. Today onwards we will write. Okay. So today we will go to think about 5 yearly moving averages. 3 yearly moving average over. One problem without graph we did, one with the graph. In today's class we will discuss about 5 yearly moving averages. So compute 5 yearly moving averages to the following data: year and sales. Year, sales. Sales in thousands, sales in thousands. Year 2000 onwards, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, up to 2008. It is 18, here 18, here 21, 20, 16, 17, 17, 16, 21. Sorry, two more are there. 2009 is there, 2010 is there. Okay, 2009 20, 2010 again 20. Okay, so just read the question first. Compute trend values by finding 5 yearly moving averages. Here we have to find 5 yearly moving averages, not 3 yearly. This is 5 yearly. So what is the difference here? While computing moving totals, 5 year we have to take, isn't it? 5 yearly moving totals we have to compute. After that trend values. Trend values means 5 yearly moving totals divided by 5. So remember one thing, here there won't be trend values for the first 2 and last 2 years. So middlemost all years it will be there, but there won't be trend values for the first 2 and last 2. In 3 yearly moving average, there won't be trend values for the first one and last one. Here it won't be there for first 2 and last 2. You have to write the procedure first. In every problem you have to write the procedure. So solution, I will write here, okay. Solution. Here, see, period of moving average you have to write. Here M, I am taking period of moving average is denoted by small m. M equal to 5. 5 yearly moving average I have to compute. Is an odd number. Initially 5 yearly moving totals are obtained. Initially 5 yearly moving totals are obtained. Moving totals are obtained. Then we have to divide this by 5. Then each of these are divided by 5 to get the trend values. Correct na? Yes. Here first we have to compute 5 yearly moving totals. 5 yearly moving totals are obtained by computing 5 year na moving total. After that last column is trend values, that 5 yearly moving total divided by 5. So first year itself, year, then sales in 1000, sales in thousands. Third one, 5 yearly moving totals, 5 yearly moving totals. Last one is trend values, trend values. Okay, year starts from 2000, 2000, next 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. Okay, next sales, sales 18, next 18, next 21, next 20, next 16, 17, 17, 16, 21, 20, 20. Okay. First we have to compute 5 yearly moving totals. 5 yearly moving totals means how to compute 5 moving total we have to find. 18 plus 21 plus 20 plus 16. First 5 moving sales in a total. Sales in a total, where I have to write in the middlemost. First 5 values in the middlemost means third observation. Correct na? So against 21, first only I am writing first 18 plus 18 plus 21 plus 20 plus 16. Correct na? It is 18 plus 18 plus 21 plus 20 plus 16. Answer is 93. Okay. Next, leave the first one. Leave the first one. ಆಗ ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5. 18 plus 21 plus 20 plus 16 plus 17. Right in the middlemost. Middlemost means third observation, that is here. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾ? ಇದ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5. Next leave 21, next 5. Like that we have to do. That is 5 I have to take. I will write the answer. First 2 girudilla. Here 93. Next 92. Next 91. Next 86. Next 87. Next 91. Next 94. Last dash. Here I wrote 93 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಆಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಐ wrote like this. Okay, here actually no need to write this one. If you want means for the first one you can write. So first 2ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು last 2ಗೆ there won't be 5 yearly moving totals. Clear na? So first 5 yearly moving total means first 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right in the middlemost, that is against the third observation, that is against 21, the answer is 93. Next leave 18, first observation, next 5, right in the middlemost, that is 92. Next leave the second one, next 5, right in the middlemost. Like that you have to do. Then 5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ 5 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. 5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಓಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 and last 2. Last how to find trend values? Yes, trend values are found. This one divided by 5. Correct na? There won't be trend value for the first one. Here also it won't be there. 93 divided by 5. 93 divided by 5. 18.6. Next 92 divided by 5. 92 divided by 5. 18.4. Next 18.2. Next 17.2. Next 17.4. Next 18.2. Next 18.8. There won't be trend value for the last 2. Okay, hope this much is clear to you. What we did is we found five moving totals right in the middlemost. Last column is found by taking the average, that is this total divided by 5. 5 yearly ಆದರೆ divided by 5, 7 yearly ಆದರೆ divided by 7, 3 yearly ಆದರೆ divided by 3. Clear na? So there won't be, if 5 yearly means first 2 and last 2 won't be there, 3 yearly means first 1 and last 1 won't be there, 7 yearly means first 3 and last 3 won't be there. Clear na this much? Yes. Just see the trend values. In the last class we didn't write the conclusion, I forgot, but you just see the observations that time and you have to write the conclusion. See here 18.6, 18.4, 18.2, see here goes on decreasing, here decreasing again, 17.4 up to 17.4 decreasing, again increasing, isn't it? So decreasing, next one time it decreased, again increased. So we can't tell that increasing or decreasing. The given data shows oscillatory trend. You have to write the conclusion. Below you have to write a conclusion. Conclusion is the given data shows oscillatory trend. The given data shows oscillatory trend. Okay, so what and all you have to write? Just see first one year and sales will be there. First you have to see here 5 yearly or 3 yearly, which one we have to compute. Next in the solution first you have to write the procedure. Whatever may be the procedure, you have to write the procedure. So here m equal to 5 is an odd number. Initially 5 yearly moving totals are what and all we are finding here, that you are writing here. That is the only thing. Then each of these are divided by 5 to get the trend values. So year, next sales, next 5 yearly moving totals, last one trend values. Write in the appropriate place. Here place is also important. And one more thing, you have to write the conclusion. So given data shows oscillatory trend. Downward trend means decreasing trend. Upward means increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ upward trend. That also you have to write. Can we do the second problem? Here it does not contain any graph. In the next problem we will do one graph also. So next problem, so that also 5 yearly itself we will do, but with the graph. Find calculate trend values by 5 yearly moving average. Plot the graph. Second problem, this one, plot the graph or along with the original values, such and all they may ask. Okay, second problem, year and consumption. Year consumption in thousands. 1990 onwards, 1990, next 91, 92, 93, next 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Okay, here 12, 14, 18, 12, 14, 18, 24, 22, 20, 16, 25, 26, 25, 26, 31. Okay. So here also same question as previous one, only one difference. What is the difference here? We have to plot the graph also, isn't it? We have to plot the graph. So year and consumption. First what we have to do? We have to write the procedure. So for every problem you have to write the procedure. Here a solution, here m equal to 5, here also m equal to 5 is an odd number. Initially odd number, why I have to write odd number means for even number separate procedure is there, that we will see in the coming classes. So it is odd number means the procedure is easy. So we have to write. Okay. Initially 5 yearly moving totals are obtained. 5 yearly moving totals are obtained. Then each of these are divided by 5 to get the trend values. Each of these are divided by 5 to get the trend values. To get the trend values. Okay. Next what I have to write, see year, next I am writing here only, year and consumption. Consumption in thousands. In thousands. Next 5 yearly moving totals. 5 yearly moving totals. Last trend value. Trend values. Here na. So year and consumption as given in the question. 1990, 1991, 1992, 1993, 1994, 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999. Okay. Next sales, consumption 12, 14, 18, 24, 22, 20, 16, 25, 26, 31. Correct now? 5 yearly moving totals. 5 yearly moving totals means first 5 I have to do totals right in the middlemost. 12 plus 14 plus 18 plus 24 plus 22 right in the middlemost, that is against the third observation. The answer is 134. 134. There won't be here and here it won't be there. Correct now? Next leave the first one. Next one we have to leave 12. 14 plus 18 plus 24 plus 22 plus 20 right in the middlemost, that is 98. Next leave this one. Next 5. 18 plus 24 plus 22 plus 20 plus 16 right in the middlemost, that is 100. Next 107. Next like that you have to leave next this one, next 5 total. Next leave this one, next 5, like that you have to do the total right in the middlemost. 100, 107, 109, next 118, here it won't be there, here it won't be there. Last column is trend values. Trend values means this value divided by how much? 5. 5 yearly moving average, so divided by 5. So this won't be there, this won't be there. 134 divided by 5, 26.8. Next one 19.6, 20. Next 21.4. Next 21.8. Next 23.6. Here it won't be there, here it won't be there. Correct na? See the nature of trend values. 26.8. Next it decreased, again increased. 19 in the ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು, next increased again increased, isn't it? But here it decreased, so we can't tell that the here decreased, here idrinda nodidre increase ಆಯಿತು, next increased like that, isn't it? So we can't tell that whether downward or upward. Here also the given data shows oscillatory trend. The given data shows oscillatory trend. You have to write the conclusion. The given data shows oscillatory trend. So once this much over means what I have to do? Here we have to draw the graph. So next we have to plot the graph. Okay, graph. See, I'll rub this one. Okay. See here, it is a oscillatory trend. This one also I'll rub. So construction of every graph must have a title. Construction of trend line. Construction of trend line using moving averages method. Moving averages method. Construction of trend line using moving averages method. Correct na? So here it is this one. Next along x-axis. Next mark x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis we have to mark. After that along x-axis which one I am taking? I am taking years. Along y-axis we have to take consumption. So year starts from 1990. 1990. Next 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So here it is 12. See, just while drawing graph or while taking scale along y-axis, just compute, just see this one and trend values. 12. The consumption lowest is 12 and highest here it is 31. Correct na? Here also highest and lowest in between this only. So 12 and 31 include agwa hage I have to take the scale, isn't it? 12 means 10 starts from 10 onwards. 10 2 units I'll take 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. 31 highest, so 32. So here it comes consumption. Consumption in thousands you can write here it year. First draw the histogram. Histogram means actual time series data. Don't go here year and consumption. Just we have to draw the graph of year and consumption. 1990 ge 12. See here it is actually origin 0. 0 to 10, next 12, each 2, here 0 to 10. So I have to draw false baseline here. False baseline. Okay, it is false baseline. So here 0 to 10. After that 2 gap. Here only 0 to 10 gap. Okay. So next do this one. 1990 ge 12. 1990 12. 1991 14. 1992 18. 18 means here. 1993 it is 24. 1993 ge 24. 1994 22. 1995 20. 1995 20 here. Next 1996 16. 1997 25. 24 ginta mele 25 means 25. 1998 26. 1999 31. 31 comes somewhat 30 ಮತ್ತು 32 ನ middle value. Next join them using scale. Here. Next here it seems here. Next this one. Correct na? This is a histogram. At that time itself you have to mark whether it is histogram or histogram, not histogram, histogram or a trend line. After that which one? Histogram over. Next trend line. Trend line means year and trend values. 1990 ge is there any trend value? No trend value. For 1991 also no trend value. So 1990 ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು 1991 ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. So observe clearly, it starts from 92 onwards. 92 ಗೆ corresponding 26.8. 92 ಗೆ 26.8. 26 exactly we want to get to 26.8. 27 ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು 27 ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದಾದರೆ 26 26.2 0.4 0.6 ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ 2 units. ಸೊ 0.8 ಅಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂರನೇ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ 92ಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1993 ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 19.6. 1993ಗೆ 19.6. 18 19 19.6. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 94 20. Next 95 21.4. 21.4. Keenly you can do in the graph ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ some points I can't see properly. You can do in the ಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾನೆಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1995 ಓವರ್ 21.4 ಓವರ್ 21.8. 21.8 ಹಿಯರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 97 ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 23.6 ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ. 98 ಮತ್ತು 99ಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್. This is our trend line. Clear na? Okay, hope this much is clear. Scale you have to write a scale x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit 1 year, isn't it? Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to how much units? 2 units. Scale applies only after false baseline. Remember. Okay. Hope this is clear to you. So if odd period are coming means it is easy to do. So odd period na moving total ಮಾಡಿ middle most ಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. So that is about odd period. If even comes how to do, we will see in the next class. Thank you.